Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage the number of people that can connect to your hotspot or your wireless internet on your smartphone. So if you share your hotspot internet with others, you may want to limit the number of people who can connect to this network. So I'm going to show you this step-by-step process using my Redmi Note 10 Android smartphone. But this step should also apply to any other Android smartphone. So what you need to do is to go to settings and then look for portable hotspot. And once you're here, scroll down until you get to manage devices. So here you'll be able to see the number of devices that are connected to your internet. My hotspot is turned off. There's no device connected to this hotspot. However, I want to limit the number of people who can connect to this hotspot. To do so, just open these settings. And here you can see limit of connected devices. I've set mine to 4. So you can increase or reduce this number depending on your limit. So mine is limited to 6. So I can either reduce or set it to maximum, which is 6. If you had blocked anyone from accessing your hotspot network, you can see the list when you tap on block list. So that's how you limit the number of devices that can connect to your hotspot wireless network. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.